in the local hospitals, as we were hearing there. Why has this heat wave this time killed so many people?
Well, first of all, it was unexpected. Usually this time the temperature has gone up to 48 degrees centigrade, and it is unexpected. And people are not taking any measures to prevent it. And if something has come all of a sudden, the other thing is there's not much electricity, there's not much water there, and there's congestion. There's a lot of slums around there.
What do you mean by prevention?
Prevention means that they have to have keep away from the sun. First thing is to keep away from the sun. If they have to work, if they have to go out in the sun, they should avoid trying to go out between 11 and 3. There is a saying in English that Englishmen and mad dog, they go the mid-sun. So try to avoid it between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m.
Which is why I suppose they have granted a public holiday for exactly that reason, to keep people out of just this brutal heat. But in terms of the facilities, we were hearing there about the basic numbers going into some of the public hospitals. What about their capacity to cope? Because that has been criticised.
Well, the thing is that if something comes all of a sudden, they haven't got any strategy to deal with such patients, so many patients, you see. And the thing is that people are not careful being rehydration. They should drink plenty of fluids. And these days, because of Ramadan, people are fasting as well, and either they are working or they are working in the sun, and getting dehydrated.
Should they not be fasting?
Well, they should be fasting, but they should have rehydration at night. They should drink plenty of water, and also they should they should not take any drinks with caffeine. If caffeine makes it, and alcohol, of course, people don't drink alcohol there, but caffeine is the main
I hear
thing.
what you're saying about it being unexpected and taking preparations and precautions, but doesn't it come down to some really basic issues here? Because predominantly it is poor people who are predominantly the majority of the victims here. That is one issue to talk about. Power cuts that you referred to. I mean, why is a modern city like Karachi unable to guarantee power for its hospitals and to pump water and all of those sorts of things? Well,
you ask the politicians. But the thing is that now there's a shortage of water as well, and people can't get water. If it is very hot weather, you have to cool yourself down with either have showers once or twice a day. When I go to Pakistan, I go to Karachi, I have shower 3 times a day because it's so hot. So they have to keep themselves cool. Plus they have to have cool drinks. Try to avoid any caffeine drinks like fizzy drinks and things like that. Just try to have plenty of drink water. And food also, you should eat which is cool food like salads and things like that.